Hey, check this out. Sictive Weld has totally revolutionized the super glue game. This isn't just any glue, it's the real deal. You know what this means. When you glue something with Sictive, it's not going anywhere. Once it sets, it stays put. So if you've got a broken part, Sictive Weld is your go-to solution. And here's the best part. You've got a limited time opportunity to save big. Don't wait. Click the yellow cart below and order now.